guys, so today we're gonna make a really cute origami easy rabbit face. So let's start. I already made this cute little dark pink rabbit. So now I'm gonna make another white or cream color rabbit. So first we're gonna turn it into a diamond. So then we're gonna fold the diamond into a half. Make sure the point meets at the same edge, and so that it comes properly. Because next you're gonna use these lines to make it more easier to fold. So now, as you see, we have a triangle. We're gonna fold it again when we're gonna get. Now we're gonna get a smaller triangle than before. See? So now we're gonna open this. And now we're gonna fold this like this. Not much, but like this. Now it's gonna look something like a boat. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull the corners to the top point. Like this. So same we're gonna do with this side too. You can turn it over if it's easy for you. It's okay with any side. Want to leave some gap, you can leave some gap in between. If you want, you can leave some gap in between so that the ears are like a little bit far. Or you can just leave no gap. Anything, it's up to your choice. It's okay if one ear stands really tall and the other doesn't. It doesn't matter, but it's just about we're making a rabbit. Measurements aren't correct. You can maybe go turn it over and do the part where I showed you a triangle to fold it properly. So now it's going to look something like this. So now what we're going to do is we're going to again fold the model over. And now we're going to fold it over, and you see these both, we're going to fold it a little bit backward. So then it's going to look something like this. We're also going to fold the bottom one a little bit. So it's going to look something like this. So if you want, you can fold the bottom one a little bit more too. This. So now we just need to complete drawing the eyes. So you can just mark the eyes, or you can just leave it. Or you can just start drawing without marking. I mark it because it has to be proper, and if I mark, it's going to be proper. So I mark it, but this is up to you, it's your choice. So I'm going to use this Craze Art black marker. Start by drawing some circles. They should be a little far away, like under the ears. You can draw them a little big to make them a little more cuter too. Then the nose. This. Then a small cute mouth. Then we're going to draw these. It looks pretty much like a cat face, but it's really a rabbit. So now we're going to color in. So as you see, our cute little rabbit is ready. Now we have two little cute rabbits. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you. Bye.